And the race is on. My Sweet Leonora, Flare Bottom, Superstitious, and Banget. Down on the inside, Flare Bottoms, and brushing up is Dance Fever, Superstitious, Banget. Down on the inside, and My Sweet Leonora, Dance Fever, Bilateral in the middle, Superstitious, Flare Bottoms, Bange, rushing up Chase Charlie, LGB in the middle, My Sweet Leonora, and Field Runner. Rounding the far turn, Flare Bottoms, Dance Fever, Bilateral, and Superstitious LGB. On the further outside is My Sweet Leonora. As they race the final corner, Dance Fever, Flare Bottoms in the middle, and on the outside is My Sweet Leonora. Entering the last 200 meters more to run, Flare Bottoms, Bange is on the outside, and My Sweet Leonora. Bange in the middle, Flare Bottoms, My Sweet Leonora, Chase Charlie, and Dance Fever. Bange, Chase Charlie, and one Symphony, and finally Symphony. Number 3, Bange. Number 4, Flare Bottoms, My.
Okay, sa ating winner